So in this video, I just wanted to go through US30. I'm doing some analysis for the week, and today's Monday, the 16th of October. So just some pre-market analysis. It's currently about 2:30 now. So in about 1 hour, NYSE is open. So a few things that I've noticed, right? So we have these key high areas here. So you can see that US30 was downtrending for, I think, like probably the last week or two. We went into a small range. We broke out just after NFP. We broke out and we continued that trend. And then I would say from here, the 10th of October, we've been ranging again. Now, there's two possible outcomes, obviously, right? It's either we just ranging to carry on to the upside, or there is a possible break to the downside to go retest this level before really going all the way up, right? Now, the trades that I'm going to be looking for this week, actually from today, I'm not looking to sell anywhere at these zones. The only place I'm actually looking to sell is if we have a break and retest of this zone. A break and retest of this zone shows me that buys are now invalid and we're going to continue to the downside. So we'll probably end up selling from here. So what's this? 33,466 all the way down to potentially 32,900. That's the only time I'm going to be selling in the market. Buys, right? My buy opportunity is if today at the NYSE session we are able to break through this zone and retest and reject here, I'm going to look for buys of this zone going all the way up. The next buy entry I'm looking at is potentially at this 382 fib level here. So if you just pull out your fib from the bottom, I think I did it from here. So from the low to the high, yeah, around here. So you can see that this zone is very close to the 382 level, and we tested it before here. So I'm looking to get a buy off here. If we break through this zone, then obviously we're going to be looking for sells. But for me, these two areas here are key zones, and this is also a key zone because if we break through this zone here, you can see we've been using it as support for a while now. The opportunity for the sell is much more likely, but we're not going to sell off the zone because we have another two key areas here that we could potentially look for buys of. And this zone, if I just calculate quickly, it's like, what's happening here? Sorry. I mean, this is 90 pips away from that zone, and this is about 150 pips. So I'm not going to look for sells here because it's going to be too risky. Yes, we could potentially, if we break and retest this zone, we could potentially catch about, I'd say 80, 90 pips, but I don't want to stress myself out with that sort of trade and then look for closing and stuff like that. The more cleaner trade for us to look for is the break below this zone. And yeah, so as I'm saying, we're not selling off here because of these two zones here. These are potential reversal zones here. So I'm going to wait for this. But yeah, I mean, I'm really looking at buys. Normally market does this. We'll have a impulsive move up, we'll range, we'll accumulate buyers, and then we'll push up again. That's what I'm looking for. That's why I'm saying if we can get to the bottom here and we reject, this will be a good buy, because even if we catch it from here into the next leg, I think we can catch this buy for around 1,000 pips. I think that'll be a good buy. So yeah, that's the analysis for US30 for the 16th of October. Let's see how it goes. We're not rushing into any trades today. We're just gonna wait for some good entries. And yeah, we want to break out of the zone. We don't want to be trading in between this range. We want to break out to the upside or the downside. I'm not looking to trade these ranges anymore, because you saw on Friday we had that fake out over here and then a big push down. So I think it was here. We had that fake out and the push down, and it just kept on ranging. I mean, look at these wicks. Like, yeah, it's just very unstable at the moment and choppy. So yeah, thanks guys. If you have any questions, just drop it down in the Telegram chat and then I will answer them. Cheers.